Hello everybody, this is Epicline Alpha here with another video for you today. This is Nerf Gun of the month. This is the Retaliator, obviously, that's displayed in big white letters just there. It's obviously not stock, but the reason I chose it is because of its versatility, not only if you are a modder, but even if you're not. The pack that it comes in includes one of these barrels, obviously not that colour, but blue, and then a stock, once again, not this stock, but still a stock, and means you can make it a pistol-sized or a rifle-sized blaster depending on your needs. That, combined with the fact that if you are modding, you can put in expanded plunger tubes, breaches, and all that other stuff, even extended mag releases, and they're just so versatile, and that is why it deserved Nerf Blaster of the Month. Now, please let me know what you like for the next Nerf Blaster of the Month. I had to decide on this one myself. You guys didn't give me any input, which was disappointing. So please tell me your favourite blasters. I'll try and put them in if we get enough votes for them. And please send in your modded Nerf blasters as well. I would love to see some of them be featured in the first Nerf mod of the month. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time.